How to cut plasterboard with an oscillating multi-tool. So first, because plasterboard isn't very strong, you don't need a super sharp blade. But what you will find is if you try plunging it in without going on an angle, can you see how I'm trying to do the point of the blade here in the bottom corner? I press that section onto the board, and this is easier then to go into the board. I'll explain more as I get around a hole. So, and then all you do then is let the oscillating tool follow the line. Now if you see, if I try perfectly flat here, watch how the blade jumps around and doesn't go straight into the board. See that? So you need to angle the blade on the line, and then once you've got that initial cutout, you can then go flat and it will easily follow the cutout. So give that blade a slight angle, start your cut. See how I'm angling the blade like that to get that initial cutout of the plasterboard, and then there we go. Make sure we're cut out all the way and we can tap it out. Then we can run a bit of sandpaper around the edges to clean them up. So hopefully that shows you how to cut plasterboard with an oscillating multi-tool. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.